everyone, in this video we want to discuss 3 tips plus medications to relieve migraine attacks fast. First tip is to try to turn off lights. Lights and sounds can make migraine attacks worse. Second tip is to try temperature therapy. You can use cold or warm compresses around your head and neck. Third tip is to use caffeinated drinks. Caffeine can help reduce migraine attacks, like coffee. What medications are useful for reducing migraine attacks? Actually, acute migraine attacks. You can use NSAIDs like ibuprofen, naproxen, diclofenac, aspirin. You can use triptans. You can use ergotamine. And don't forget to use the right dose. For example, when using acetaminophen, you should use 1 gram every 4 to 6 hours. When using aspirin, you should use 500 milligrams to 1 gram every 4 to 6 hours. Don't forget to use the right dose. For example, when using rizatriptan, you should use 50 to 100 milligrams every 2 hours if the pain is not relieved. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to ask your questions in the comments. Thanks.